We just got done covering some ground, guys. We're at our new spot where we originally wanted to be. Someone else was already set up, so we had to find a new campground, but we found one. We got the quad unloaded, packs are on it, ready to go. Michael's out taking care of some business right now, but once he gets back, we're gonna get on the quad. We have probably about a 20-minute quad ride, and we should be pulling up just in time, guys. I do like to be out there during the middle of the day with these Coues deer. They like to get up in the afternoon and go drink water, but it was we thought it was a smart decision to change locations, guys. So we're gonna get up there and we'll see you guys on the mountain.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Looks like we're in the right area, guys. Got a lot of goose tracks right here. Alright guys, we got set up. It's a beautiful bowl right here. I'm pretty sure there's been pressure here, but we're just going to trust that we're going to stay patient and glass harder than the person that was here before us. Haven't seen, there was definitely some tire tracks, but no one's up here right now, so this is where we're going to set up for tonight. If this doesn't work out, we'll probably get here in the morning and then glass here, and then just keep pushing off these steep canyons, and hopefully we get into something that's been unhuntable, guys. I guess there's one benefit to not backpack hunting, guys. Only downside is we're definitely not seeing as much bucks as we're used to when we backpack hunt, but I think we'll get into them. Need to give it some time. Like I said, my brother has his unit later on, so we need to definitely find some for him.
Well guys, that wraps up tonight. For the last couple hours, me and Anthony started to split up. He was glassing the backside, I stayed on this side. The first hour was super slow though, but that last hour everything started coming out. Picked up a couple does, picked up some Coues Mondays coming over. I couldn't believe it, but at the very bottom, I picked up a bull. It'd be a stud-lay bull tag. He had super long beams, his fifth was broken though, but now it's time to go back to camp and eat some elk fajitas.
Sitting here at the truck, guys, we just got done cooking some elk fajitas. It's nice when you're hunting out of a truck and you have all this stove equipment, but yeah, we just seared up some elk steaks and did some bell peppers, and now we have some tortillas and some cheese and some sour cream we're gonna eat it with. But yeah, it's nice to be able to sit here and not eat a dehydrated meal for once. We're gonna eat this up and get some rest. I still have 2 full days, guys, so there's still a lot that can happen. How is it, Michael?
Really good. Really good. Eating some good food and chasing some Coues deer.